There certainly are cosmic flukes, but there also are things that in some way or form connected to one another. Truth is rather an amalgamation of all these possibilities. And just as when we think about the principle of quantum superposition that allows for an infinite number of quantum states to exist simultaneously, I believe there indeed are just as many states of truth that exist until one is observed or measured, at which point the possibility of what is true collapses down to a single possibility. And that would bring us to believe that, well, we all have to then just find our truth.